guys, so ito na ang aming day 3 dito sa El Nido. And ito ang breakfast namin for today. Kasama yun sa package na inabil namin. So guys, dito na ang aming tour for the day. Yes. Bali guys, ang tour namin for today is tour A. Papunta na kami sa bangka namin. Medyo mahangin ngayon. Pero, ayun, buti naman na maaraw.
And I'm gonna be your tourist guide for today's trip. Okay? But if you forgot my name, you can call me baby for sure. It's easy to remember.
Guys, nandito na kami sa may
Inside the
Big
place you
Lagoon.
can swim.
And
Yeah.
another
And also
kayak
there's a
activity
place
siya.
that you can get off from the kayak. There's a shallow part because right now it's low tide. The water's shallow. So yeah, there's a
So guys, malaking bangka na yung kinuha namin. And si Kuya ang nagsasagwan para sa amin. Kakapalipad ko lang ng drone. Ayan. Buti naman safe siyang nakabalik sa akin.
Yan, malalim na yun.
Okay yung sa Kadlaw.
Ma'am?
Kadlaw na kayak.
Oo. May makulay. May kulay. Ano na yun?
Mas makulay siya.
Yes, makulay. Oh, oh. Good. Hello.
So guys, meron tunnel dito sa loob ng Big Lagoon. Ay, ito ba yung mango?
Ma'am? Oh, may magnet yun. Ang malak ay dito.
어느 날 그대와 함께한 시간들 햇살 속에 반짝이는 그대의 미소 눈을 감아도 떠오르는 그 순간
Parang ang lalim.
우리의 발자국은 영원히 남아 달콤한 추억 그대 만나 시간이 멈춘 듯한 그날들 그리움 속에 피어나는 사랑 우리의 마음속에 영원히 남아
So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa second destination namin sa Tour A, which is yung Secret Lagoon. Ito siya. Malalim to para makapunta kami dun sa Secret Lagoon. And I'm struggling. Ah! So, para makapunta sa Secret Lagoon, ito ang entrance. Oh my God! Mabato siya.
Wait me inside, okay? Dito rin. First thing that you notice here before we get inside, What's the difference from here and the outside? Cooler. Yeah, the water. The outside, when you go down, it's cold, but here it's more. Okay, why? Okay, why? Okay, thing is, here we have two different types of water. What kind of water? Fresh water and salt water. Okay, when they're mixed together, we call the brackish water, right? So inside of this place, it's a brackish water. It's mixed by the fresh water and salt water. So it's rainy season right now. So it's like 30% or more than 30% fresh water, and the last is salt water. So stuck here inside of this place because even the water is too low, like the tide is too low, the level of the water is still like this. Okay, here. But when the water is getting higher and higher, that entrance of that hole is almost closed like this. So the challenge is you have to go dive in the hole first before you get. But you cannot stand up right here, so that's why everybody needs a life jacket. But before you go in, you have to remove your life jacket and then just go down. Okay, that's thing.
So guys, dito kami sa
Then they wanted to explore those
para mag-lunch.
and then
And
one of Shimizu
it's here.
lost from his body because when you are doing a diving, you're supposed to have a body.
So guys, magpapalipad tayo ngayon ng drone dito sa Shimizu Island habang kumakain sila. See? Lunchtime.
Take one.
Sige, mamaya na.
Okay, 100 each. Buy one, take one, 200. Got it? So, welcome to our last destination. Okay, 7 Commando Beach. Okay, so what are we gonna do here?
Guys, ayan. Andito na kami sa 7 Commando Beach. And, ayun, nahilo ko kanina sa bangka. And, natulog ako saglit. Pag nagising ko, nandito na kami, guys. Ayan. Panay coconut tree siya. Ayan. Play volleyball dyan. And what I can say, ang pinakamaganda sa Tour A, which is yung sa, I think, etong 7 Commandos ang pinakamagandang beaches sa Tour A. Sa Tour C naman is yung Cadlao Lagoon. Nakabalik na kami dito sa aming accommodation sa Novice. And tapos na ang aming Tour A for today. Actually, sakto lang yung pagkatapos ng tour namin kasi umulan na siya after nung sa 7 Commandos namin. And overall, it was a great experience and lahat ng beaches dito is magaganda. And ang pinaka-favorite ko will be, I think, Tour C. Tour C ang pinaka mas nagpa-wow sa akin. And actually din lahat naman sila pero Tour C talaga yung tumatak sa akin. Dito kami sa McDo ngayon para kumain ng dinner namin. And ayan, bumili ako ng Crocs ng Happy Meal nila. Ang cute kasi ng Happy Meal ngayon ng McDo. Ayan. Yung cute to. Crocs na keychain. Diba? Ang cute. Good morning guys. Ito na ang aming last day dito sa El Nido. And we're having breakfast. This is our free breakfast. Ayan, nagmamoist ang aking camera dahil sa lamig sa kwarto. Ayan. So guys, ang agenda na lang namin ngayon is mag-travel pabalik sa Puerto Princesa by 12 o'clock ng hapon. Guys, nandito na kami sa Puerto Princesa Airport and mamaya pang 8 o'clock yung flight namin. So kakain muna kami since hindi pa rin kami nakakain simula nung umalis kami sa El Nido. So guys, nandito kami sa bilihan ng pasalubong dito sa Puerto Princesa. Guys, ayan, pauwi na kami sa Manila. And siguro dito ko na din i-end yung vlog ko since patapos na rin ang araw. And then guys, thank you guys for watching.